Need quick and easy access to healthcare? Cigna Telehealth has you covered. Links are in the description below. Cigna, a trusted name in health insurance, partners with MD Live and Amwell to offer comprehensive telehealth services. Connect 24/7 with board-certified doctors, licensed therapists, and other healthcare professionals for both physical and mental health needs. Consult via video or phone for non-emergency issues like colds, allergies, infections, or minor injuries. Schedule therapy or psychiatric consultations for stress, anxiety, or depression. Simply log into your Cigna account, choose a provider, and request an on-demand visit or schedule an appointment. Cigna integrates telehealth with many of its health plans, often covering visits at low or no cost. Prescriptions can be sent directly to your local pharmacy. Access Cigna Telehealth from your smartphone, tablet, or desktop, at home, work, or on the go. HIPAA-compliant security protects your privacy. Multilingual support ensures accessible care for everyone. Cigna Telehealth provides high-quality, accessible, and affordable healthcare, especially for Cigna members. Manage minor illnesses, seek mental health support, or get quick medical advice. Cigna Telehealth delivers a reliable and effective experience. Learn more in the description below.